In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money with images. And these are the type of images I'm talking about right here. As you can see, these images you see before videos, and they are usually called thumbnails. So I'm going to show you how to make $10 per images you make. And also, if you multiply that by 10 images right here, you are going to be making at least $100 every single day with just images. So I'm going to show you how to do everything in this video. And also, if you are new to the channel, I make videos about how to make money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find interesting videos. So the first thing you want to do, you want to come over to this website called picmaker.com. This website allows you to create images for absolutely free. And don't worry, you don't need to be a graphic designer. They have numerous templates that you can get started with for absolutely free. So once you come over to this website right here, you want to scroll to the very bottom of this page and you want to click on this thumbnail maker right here. So once you click on that, it's going to bring you to this page. As you can see right here, awesome YouTube thumbnails template for your videos. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do everything for absolutely free. As you can see right here, these are awesome looking templates thumbnails that you can use for absolutely free. Now you want to click on this sign up right here. So once you click on that, you can either sign up with your Facebook account or your Google account, as you can see right here, or you can basically just type in your username, your email, and your password right here. So for me, I'm going to sign up with a Google account. So once you are logged into your account, everything is going to look like this. As you can see right here, these are numerous templates that you can get started with and use for absolutely free. So what you want to do from here, you want to click on this YouTube thumbnail. If you look at the left corner of this page, you can see right here, these are templates that you can use for absolutely free. So all you just need to do is scroll down and choose any of these templates that you want. So basically, if I come on here and type in else right here, so depending on whatever niche you're working with, you can just basically type in the niche right here. So now all I just need to do is click on any of these templates right here. So if I take this one right here as an example, as you can see, this is a template I can use for absolutely free. Or if I click on this one right here, as you can see, I can use this template for absolutely free as well. All right. So basically, to customize this template, all you just need to do, double click on the text and you can edit it how you want. All right. So basically, I can change this text to whatever I want right here. So basically, if I change this to subscribe, all right, as you can see right here, I just change this to subscribe for more videos, as you can see right here. So I can change this gym as well to whatever text I want. All right, as you can see right here. So basically now, if you want to add a text of your own, all you just need to do is over to this text section right here, and I can drag any of this text right here. So if I drag this and drop it right here, okay, all I just need to do is type in whatever I want right here. All right, and to change the color of the text, all you just need to do is click on this text right here and select the color. All right, so I'm going to change this one to white right here. You want to make sure everything is highlighted. All right, you can see right here 5 weight loss tips right here. Subscribe for more videos at weight loss tips right here. So basically, you can create good looking thumbnails like this for any niche of your choice, and I'm going to show you how to make money from this thumbnail. And also, to change the background of this image, all you just need to do is click on these images right here. All right, if you click on that, as you can see, it's going to change it to a different image of your choice. And also, you can just basically upload the image if you want by coming to this upload section right here. But for me, I'm just going to leave this image as it is. All right, so once you're done, all you just need to do is click on this download right here. Okay, so once you click on this download, you'll be able to download this image to your device right away. So you want to come over to this website called peopleperhour.com and you want to type in thumbnail right here and you want to click on search. You can see people right here charging $10 for thumbnail right here. As you can see, this thumbnail right here took us literally less than 5 minutes to create. So basically, you can see these people are making money creating thumbnails right here. As you can see right here, this one says create awesome YouTube thumbnails to get more views and subscribers. As you can see right here, this person is charging $15 to create this type of thumbnail, and you can create it with this website right here. All right, like I showed you, you can see there are numerous thumbnails you can choose from and you can create amazing thumbnails for videos. You can see this one is a very good thumbnail as well that anybody can use. So once you click on that thumbnail, it's going to load it up. As you can see right here, this is another good thumbnail you can use that is way better than the ones on this page right here. Okay, so basically all you just need to do is change the text. Like I said, just double tap on the text and you can change it to whatever you want. All right, so you can see you can make numerous thumbnails every single day and you can sell them on this website for absolutely free. And also another website you can use is fiverr.com. If you come over to Fiverr, all you just need to do is type in thumbnail in the search bar right here, and you are going to see a lot of people that are making money with thumbnail. As you can see, this one right here. So if I click on this person right here, you can see how we create catchy YouTube thumbnail in 2 hours. And you can see right here 7 orders in queue, and this person has sold over 5,000 thumbnails on Fiverr. So basically you can do the same on Fiverr as well. So all you just need to do is come over to Fiverr and create an account by clicking on this become a seller right here, and you can basically use the same title as they are using right here, and you want to make sure you list the service under this thumbnail design category on Fiverr right here. All you just need to do is list the service on Fiverr right here, and I can guarantee you these people, they are using this website right here to create those thumbnails and making passive income on Fiverr, because literally all you just need to do is edit an already made template and you can customize it to whatever niche the customer wants. All right, so once you've created your gig on fiverr.com and you've created another gig on peopleperhour.com, don't just sit there and wait for this platform to give you traffic. You want to go over to search for traffic yourself in the beginning, and after you've gotten a lot of traffic yourself and others, they are going to recommend you to people on their platform. So one of the easiest way to start driving traffic yourself is by going over to Quora.com, and you want to create an account on Quora if you don't have one already. So basically creating an account on Quora is just like creating a Twitter or a Facebook account. Very simple and free to create. And once you've created your account, all you just need to do is come over to this add question section, and you want to type in a question like this: how to make YouTube thumbnails for my videos. So basically there are a lot of people who are coming over to Quora to ask questions on how they can create YouTube thumbnails. So as you can see, this is a question right here: how do I make YouTube thumbnail like this? So basically you can answer this question, and once you've created your gig on Fiverr, all you just need to do is copy your Fiverr link right here, and then you want to share it on this question right here and recommend the person to use your service. Okay, and also this is another question right here that doesn't even have an answer yet: how do I make YouTube thumbnail uniformly for all my video? You can see no answer on this question. This one has only one answer, this one with one answer. So basically if you answer these questions right here and you leave a link to your Fiverr gig, you are going to get a lot of traffic to your Fiverr link, and some of them are going to purchase the Fiverr gig, and that way Fiverr is also going to start ranking your gig in the search bar. All right, so basically that is all you need to do. You want to promote your Fiverr gig or your people per hour link right here to generate some traffic to your link, and that way you are going to get this platform right here to promote your gig in the search bar. Once they notice you are bringing traffic to the platform, they are also going to reward you by ranking your gig in the search bar. All right, so like I said, all you just need to do is create a very similar gig like the one that is working right here. This one getting 7 orders every single day, as you can see right here. Create a similar title, a similar thumbnail, and you want to create a similar package right here, and you want to list it in the same category right here. And like I said, you want to get some traffic from websites like Quora, Facebook, Instagram, or wherever you want to get the traffic from. And once you start getting some traffic, this website Fiverr is going to automatically reward you by ranking you in the search bar as well. All right, so basically that brings us to the end of today's video. And if you find any value in this video, please drop a like on the video, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.